Hello, come and see. Numbers are fun, you and me. Sit together nice and slow. Let's count numbers, here we go. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Counting time is such a treat. Baby and Ellie smile so bright. We will count from left to right. Number 1, 1, 1, 1. Count with me, it's so much fun. Baby shows us number 1. Elephant smiles, learning's begun. 1, 1, count with me. 1 is fun, can't you see? Baby and the elephant, counting numbers happily. Let's say 1, nice and slow. 1, 1, 1. Clap one time, nice and neat. Clap and smile, feel the beat. Number 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's count together, me and you. Baby counts to number 2. Elephant says, I can too. 2, 2. Count with me. 1 and 2, easy peasy. Baby and the elephant, counting numbers happily. Let's clap together, nice and slow. Clap, clap, good job, let's go. 1, 2, clap along, me and you. Number 3, 3, 3, 3. Clap your hands and count with me. Baby shows us number 3. Elephant laughs, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yay, we see. Baby and the elephant, counting numbers happily. 1, 2, 3. Count along with me. Let's count together, nice and slow. Bounce, bounce. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting numbers feels so fun. Smile and bounce, everyone. Number 4, 4, 4, 4. Let's count more, one number more. Baby counts to number 4. Elephant cheers, let's explore. 4, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, easy peasy. Baby and the elephant, counting numbers happily. Let's count all together now, nice and slow. We know how. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Counting numbers, learn some more. Baby and the elephant, counting fun forevermore. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sing and count forevermore. Baby and the elephant, learn